Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Stuff, and this is new tutorial series. And in this series we'll be creating quiz app with the help of MVVM architecture, and also we'll be using Firebase database as a backend, and we'll use a Jetpack Compose navigation library to navigate through different fragments. And also, if you want to know about MVVM architecture in brief or in detail, you can check out the video in the I button. So yeah, so I'll hit on this run button and I'll show you the demo app that we'll be creating throughout this series. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, do so. Link is in the description box. There I post some stuff related to programming and Android. And also, if you have some major issues, you can DM me as well. So this was the splash screen. So now I'll create a new user. I'll write any dummy mail and I'll set password as anything dummy. So sign up. So yeah, this is our dashboard or main screen, you can say. In here we have multiple quizzes. Okay, and now I'll select this C programming. I'll click on this card, and as you can see, the detailed fragment pop up, and in here we have all the image and topic name, difficulty, question, and we'll add some more. So we'll add more data to it, or maybe we'll add some feature. So if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely take your suggestion. So now I'll click on the start quiz. So the first question, as you can see, and we also have the countdown timer. So I'll select this one, and this was correct. Next, now I'll select wrong, and as you can see, the button turns to the red, and also we got wrong answer. Correct answer is it reduce code size. Next, again this is user, definitely correct, and 2 or 4. I'll again select any wrong question, wrong answer, sorry, and this will be do while show, and array is linear. Again let me select any wrong answer. Built-in function and correct answer, submit. So we have 10 questions in each quiz, and this is the result fragment. And in here, as you can see, our score is 60%, and correct answers were 6 and wrong answers 4, and question missed was 0. So again I can click on the go to home, so our main page or our dashboard will open. So yeah, this was it. You can select on Java, and I haven't added Java questions to it, but when we will build the app, I'll surely add questions to each card or each topic. So yeah, this was it. And yeah, if you have any suggestions to this app, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely take your suggestion and will implement that feature. Okay, so yeah, that was it, and stay tuned for next part. Do subscribe, and thank you for watching.